Hi guys, my name is Pranay. Actually, I need to do a video with a subject called Professional Skills of Business Analyst. Here it is. It's the subject code is CIS 5302. Okay, let's go to the matter. Yeah, actually, I only need to do like 8 tasks. Okay, the first task like the totally depending with the assign like to be design activity diagram and the organizational change, screen design, acceptance criteria, entire entity relationship diagram, application architecture, report to client, and Scrum organization. These are the most important to go on with this assignment. Okay, let's get in with the to be design architecture. This architecture is very important to do with this assignment. Like system processes are characterized by the execution of various activities that represent the expected system functionality. Activity diagram exists under the bordered undefined modeling language focusing on the presentation of various activities and flow of instructions in a system. To be model is the description of the sales system installation is looking at adopting. Okay, I'll just explain you the whole diagram with a brief one. Don't worry. Okay, I'll just getting in it. Yeah, the whole diagram getting in between three systems like call center, sales team, sales system, and sales representative. Yeah, the call center sales team, like make it like a small flowchart that will be better for us. Okay, from the call center steam it will be starting, then launch the system. From the sales system we need to verify the login. Again it comes to the call center sales team, we need to have all the details. If it's yes, then we need to go to the call homeowners, and again it goes to the sales system at client, again present. If it's yes, go to the customer need installation. Again if it's yes, it goes to the record customer details. If it's no, again start from the customer details, the same process. The step by step is called as flowchart, right? Yeah. And then from the customer details goes to the, we need to have a booking appointment, and then getting back to the sales system, send notification to the customers and sales representative. And here is the third part called sales representative. From the notification of the customer we'll be having receiving notification to sales representative, then sales representative login, and again it get back to the sales system, authenticate user, again get back to sales representative, input customer needs. From the customer needs it again we get back to the sales what again get back to the sales system. Yeah, store customer requirement, again in this sales system, from the customer requirement goes to generate code, and then to say send code, and again it goes to the sales representative, share code with the customer, again to sales system, record sales, and the sales representative ended. This is a process, this is a brief process for that. And again going to the next point, it's like yeah, I mean here it is. It's like organizational change. We got so many steps in this. Loss of perspective customer, failures mostly lead in this loss of potential clients, all this get in the loss of perspective customers. And then to the poor service delivery, customer always end for the long hours in meetings so they don't wait, it's poor service delivery. Decreased profits as is poor customer engagement, it makes so many decreased deliveries profits. Raise in facilitation cost, this comes under it. The 2B model is used here. Under 2B model, the reasoning has made insulation embrace the technology by the establishment of operation to 2B process. We have 3 to 4 in this: cross devices compatibility and remote accessibility, controlled access to system functionality. The system shall use all users founded on account details, and then automated appointment placement model. This is also mostly used. And to be model, by using this, in this automated appointment placement model, to be model is used, should call customers most of times, follow up them, and can fix some appointments. Automate, and then automated customer waitings and code generation, communication with them, customers database system, data reporting. This is the second step. And then the screen designing, this is the most important. As a system administrator, I want to register sales team member on the system so that they can have logins to the system. Here for creating an account, I just kept it, I have done a big research for this diagram. I have kept it in my assignment. Sales system, creating the user account, full name, address, location, date of birth, designation, department, all come under this. And next, the second diagram explains the report, installation report, procedure for the report, installation company report system. In this, we'll have employee number, year, month. Yeah, then to the fourth one, acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria contains two steps in it. As a system administrator, I want to register sales team members on the system so as they can have access to the system. Okay, then under the second point, as a head of human resource, I would like to produce sales team performance reports so that I can process employee payroll. Yeah, that's a good one. And the fifth one is entity relationship diagram. The relationship between call center staff, customers, booking, order, payment, and sales representative. These all its entity representation called relationship diagram. The next one is application architecture. Application architecture move on with remote mode and having network in the middle to specialist mode. Remote mode like X-ray scanners, all this. Network in the middle and the output as video conference unit. And to get into the brief, we get like devices like X-ray machines video to browser based circuits like device manager software module communication with medical devices, and then in the middle like lease line ISDN, and then the last browser based specialist. This is a big diagram I just done in my assignment, vital where and vital diagram. And last is yeah, there's a table report to clients. In this, the vendor and company, and to the submitted by, all these details will be written in this application form. It's like a small application form. We'll be having company information like when is the company founded. This company is founded like 2015. With the short period became a top innovative company in the region like Australia. And background and business objective is the second point. Here the installation is a service provider for homeowners in the southern region of Australia. The firm calls customer installation needs after the appointment is made enable. Appointment must be the main one. And then the project time scale, business requirements. There will be three types of business requirements in it: functional requirement, technical requirement, and integration requirement. And format of response. Format is nothing but it's a PDF one. Evaluation criteria, the sales system all come under this. The vendor queries, any types of queries can be asked by them. Confidential statement, these all information provided on the document is deemed confidential, accessible by no parties. That's better. Okay, and then the last one, it's Scrum organization. Scrum organization is the project that results in the realization of sales management mission with the executed by the use of Scrum framework, derivative of the agile development methodology, which provides a lightweight and flexible manner. Scrum, they'll be having two in this: Scrum Master and Scrum Team. Scrum Master means is responsible for Scrum implementation. Scrum Masters differ from Project Manager since they don't assign tasks nor give the project a direction. Scrum Team, this is the last one: skilled workforce of 5 persons who are responsible for project execution. Each member is assigned his or his role stick till project's closure. Yeah, this is done. All assignment. Thank you.